Should you start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025? Does it really worth it? Which niches are thriving and have the potential for success? What essential skills are required to stand out and succeed? Will I encounter obstacles throughout this journey? And most importantly, can you actually make money from it? All these answers will be revealed in this video. And you know what? This is the only video you need to watch about starting any faceless YouTube channel, whether you're a complete beginner or already in the game. It might be a bit long, but I promise you won't be disappointed by the end. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and enjoy the most honest insights I'm sharing with you today. To create this video, I spent countless hours watching and analyzing a variety of both successful and struggling YouTube channels. I examined what worked for these channels, how they engaged their audiences, and the strategies they used to succeed. By combining everything I've learned from making videos for my channel, I'm going to provide you with a very comprehensive guide and knowledge on how to get started and what you should do to succeed with a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Let me take you through my journey, starting at the end of 2024. I made my first video for my faceless channel in October. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is incredibly simple. Create a channel, film your video without showing your face, and upload it. That's it. The process is straightforward, and anyone can do it with just a few basic tools. You don't need a high-end camera or fancy equipment. Whether you're using screen recordings, voiceovers, animations, or even stock footage, the barrier to entry is low. You can create content without ever having to appear on camera, giving you the freedom to focus purely on your ideas and creativity. It's an easy way to share your content, protect your privacy, and build a successful channel. Like everyone's first video, mine was no different. No sound effects, basic editing, and I honestly thought it was great at the time. I felt confident and thought, this is so easy. But looking back, I realized just how bad that video really was. It was far from perfect. Sure, I got a few views and, of course, very low retention. But that was just the beginning. I uploaded 6 more videos, all of which were just as bad. I'm sharing this so that those of you just starting out can get motivated. Look at how much my videos have improved over time. I started from the same place as you, or maybe even worse. With just creating 6 videos, it took me nearly a month. And even worse, my channel only had about 400 views and a few subscribers at that time. I experienced the same emotions that any YouTuber, whether successful or not, goes through. Disappointment, loss of motivation, and lack of self-confidence. At that point, I realized it was because I hadn't properly prepared. I was simply making videos without asking myself important questions, like, why am I starting this channel? And do I really enjoy this? This is why, before you start any YouTube channel, you must ask yourself why you want to start one. Whether it's to share personal experiences, grow your business, educate others, or make money, understanding your motivation is crucial. For my channel, the first thing that came to mind, of course, was to make money. I was inspired by many gurus in the AI content creation space, such as the AI Guys, Digital Income Project, and How to AI. With a total of 13 years as a software engineer and also being very successful as a dropshipping seller, there's no reason why I couldn't achieve what they have. But I was wrong, or at least it wasn't as easy as I thought. These creators had already made hundreds of videos before I uploaded my first one, so they had a significant advantage over me, and over many of you too. Now, not only do I have to compete with the many channels that have sprung up, but to compete with the big channels that have been around for more than a year, you'll realize just how difficult it is. You only need to do one thing: understand the algorithm and create better videos. Of course, in the beginning, just start creating content. Don't overthink it. Just make videos and keep improving over time. You'll face frustration at first, but stay committed. Persistence is key to success. With enough time and effort, you'll see improvement, and you may even land brand sponsorships or start earning revenue. There are 2 main types of faceless YouTube channels that you should be aware of. The first type, which has gained significant popularity, includes channels like AI Guys, How to AI, or Grow with Cass. These channels focus on creating tutorial-style content that revolves around AI. offering practical insights, tips, and step-by-step guides. They provide valuable knowledge for a wide range of audiences, from beginners to advanced users, helping viewers navigate the ever-growing world of artificial intelligence. The second type focuses on creating content such as cartoons, gaming videos, or animated illustrations, offering a creative and engaging way to entertain or inform without showing your face. Becoming an AI tutorial creator is very challenging right now because these types of faceless channels have increased significantly. With so many gurus emerging, even though they haven't contributed much to creating faceless channels, the competition has become fierce. To run this type of YouTube channel, you must learn a variety of skills, especially in editing. I have seen many channels with low-level editing skills struggle to grow, even after posting 30 to 50 videos. Take a look at AI Guy's channel. In their new videos, they have to incorporate tons of effects, which I know can be very expensive, especially when you're renting an editor. But the truth is, he's already successful and has the resources to invest in these high-quality edits. If he were to start a channel now while working at a bakery, I'm 95% sure he would fail, or at least have to put in 3 times the effort compared to when he started his YouTube channel back in 2023. However, this niche presents immense potential for creators to unlock diverse revenue streams. You can partner with brands for sponsored content, earn passive income through affiliate marketing, and even establish a dedicated community where you can monetize by sharing your expertise, whether through membership programs, exclusive content, or by offering digital products and courses. The possibilities for generating income are vast and continue to grow as the demand for high-quality, informative content increases. For the second scenario, such as starting a channel focused on 3D animation, this is much simpler and easier than the first one. You don't need a lot of content editing, which is why the term YouTube automation has become so popular. But the truth behind this is not as simple as you might imagine. When something seems easy, anyone can try it, and that leads to intense competition. Creating a unique, high-quality avatar is also a crucial factor in this niche. An avatar isn't just a visual representation, it's your channel's identity and plays a significant role in how your audience connects with your content. A well-designed avatar can make your channel stand out, capture attention, and foster a stronger connection with your viewers. Whether it's a custom animation, a 3D character, or a stylized design, a high-quality avatar adds a professional touch that conveys credibility and effort. It can also make your channel more memorable and give your audience a sense of familiarity, which is key to building a loyal community. In a competitive faceless niche, investing time and resources into creating a standout avatar can set you apart from others and help you establish your brand identity early on. Take a look at this. There's a video on this channel that says only 8 niches can truly make money from faceless content. Now, I suppose that 800 channels could make money. But here's the catch. While 800 channels might succeed, 80,000 channels will fail. I'd say only about 1% of those channels will be truly successful in the long term. The remaining 19% might experience brief success, but they'll eventually struggle when trying to improve their content, and their channels will decline from their peak. This is where the YouTube algorithm comes in. It tests channels across various metrics and rankings to identify which ones have strong, sustainable content. To truly succeed, your content must stand out and consistently deliver value. However, the reality is that ad revenue is the primary income stream for many faceless channels. If you don't have enough views, making a living from this can be incredibly tough, and you'll face a lot of struggles. This can quickly drain your motivation. That's why it's critical to understand what you truly want to provide with your channel from the start. Having a clear vision will help you stick with the journey and stay committed for the long haul. At some point, I felt a little depressed after releasing a video, or after a few videos. My motivation dipped, and it was simply because my expectations were too high after working hard on each video. Yet, my channel was still stuck with low views, despite the tremendous effort I put into every single video. This is something every successful YouTuber has faced. After my first 3 videos, I felt completely defeated because I couldn't do better, even though it took me so much time to make each video. The only advice I can offer in this situation is persistence. As you continue creating content, you'll improve. The process of working on something you're passionate about and seeing progress is incredibly fulfilling. For me now, it only takes 2 days to create an 8-minute video with good enough quality to keep my audience engaged from start to finish. Next, one of the most critical steps in starting a faceless YouTube channel is selecting the right niche, one that you're genuinely passionate about, and that also has a large, engaged audience. Your niche should be broad enough to encompass a wide range of topics, yet specific enough to stand out within that category. The key is choosing a niche with high search volume keywords that will help you attract a massive number of views. This leads to greater exposure, allowing you to create content that resonates with a larger audience and, ultimately, generate more revenue. Choosing the right niche is not just about picking something that sounds good. You can't choose a niche that's too narrow or overlooked, as it may not have the audience needed to sustain long-term growth. Here are 7 popular niches that have proven success. But remember, this is just for reference and learning purposes. You need to do your own research to find the niche that truly works for you. The first one is anime self-help videos. If you have an interest in both anime and self-improvement, this niche is a unique blend of entertainment and personal growth. Combining the compelling world of anime with motivational content can captivate a wide audience. With an RPM potential of $2 to $5 per 1,000 views, it offers moderate ease of creation, as you can combine anime visuals with voiceovers. You can use animation tools or even AI-generated content to simplify the process, but the challenge lies in effectively blending both genres to create engaging, meaningful content. Moral stories. Another great option is the moral stories niche, which combines timeless lessons with compelling narratives. With an RPM potential of $3 to $6 per 1,000 views, this niche is relatively easy to create. These videos primarily rely on voiceovers and simple visuals, like images or illustrations. The key here is storytelling, as creating impactful moral stories that resonate with viewers of all ages can help you build a loyal audience over time. Ancient philosophy. If you're interested in diving deeper into the wisdom of the past, creating content around ancient philosophy might be the right choice. This niche has an RPM potential of $4 to $8 per 1,000 views and offers moderate to hard ease of creation. While it doesn't require complex visuals, the focus here is on delivering in-depth research and valuable insights. For those interested in personal development or history, this niche offers broad appeal and an opportunity to provide content that can be applied in modern life. Business documentaries. Business documentaries are another lucrative niche with high earning potential. With an RPM potential of $6 to $12 per 1,000 views, the creation process can be challenging. It involves deep research, script writing, and detailed editing, often requiring relevant visuals to match the narrative. But the reward is substantial. This niche attracts business-minded individuals and offers ample opportunities for brand partnerships, especially when focusing on successful companies or entrepreneurs. Basic financial education. As financial literacy becomes a hot topic, channels focused on basic financial education are in high demand. The RPM potential here is impressive, ranging from $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. These videos are relatively moderate to create, requiring clear, engaging visuals, often with animations or charts to explain complex concepts. If you're passionate about simplifying financial topics and helping others understand how to manage money, this niche is incredibly profitable and offers great opportunities for partnerships with financial companies. Make money online with AI. If you're interested in the growing world of artificial intelligence, the Make Money Online with AI niche is a powerful choice. With an RPM potential of $7 to $12 per 1,000 views, this niche is also moderate in terms of ease of creation. You'll need to keep up with fast-changing technology trends, as the demand for AI-related content is high. Channels focusing on explaining AI tools, techniques, and tutorials can attract large audiences, especially as more people look to increase their productivity and explore new ways to earn online. 3D animation. Lastly, the 3D animation niche is a goldmine if you have the right skills. The RPM potential in this niche is $5 to $10 per 1,000 views, but the ease of creation is challenging, requiring advanced animation software like Blender or Maya. However, the reward is great, as the unique nature of animated content and its ability to tell engaging stories or provide educational material attracts a broad audience. If you have the expertise, this niche can be incredibly rewarding, particularly among tech-savvy or younger viewers who enjoy high-quality animations. When selecting a niche, passion is just as important as potential earnings. A niche you genuinely enjoy creating content for will help you stay motivated and consistent in the long run. Without passion, it's easy to lose interest, especially as the demands of creating content increase. If you only focus on high RPMs, revenue per 1,000 impressions, without real interest in the content, you'll likely face burnout and struggle to keep the channel going. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it requires steady, consistent effort over time. Choose a niche that excites you, and the success will follow as you continue improving and staying committed. And the last niche I want to talk to you about is you, your own niche. Create a niche that's uniquely yours and makes people want to follow you. This is the fastest way to stand out and succeed. It might be challenging, requiring all the skills of a true YouTuber, but it's possible. I too am choosing my own path, and I wish you all success, and I hope I find success as well. Thank you for watching until now, and see you in the next video.